The state that my mind is in right now, I can't describe. I was sitting right here, I was just chilling, preparing a drawing for a new video that I wanted to make about highlights. And I was doing some research. And guess what? I found something. Wait, I have to sit better for this. I found out a secret that so many artists use in every drawing, but they don't tell you. And I didn't know, and I should have known. I should have known a long time ago. I just found it out 30 minutes ago that so many people are actually using it for every drawing, and no one talks about it. And it makes your drawing look so much better. Since I have started making brushes until now, and mostly the last 6 months or so, I have been trying to make the perfect brush that will make my drawings look like the drawings of my favorite artists a little bit, you know, just my brush strokes just make same effect, you know. So I have been working on it for a long time, and I didn't realize that it's not about the brush. It's not about it. It's about this one effect that changes everything. I will show you how many artists are using it. I didn't want to make this video. I am just so shocked. Look, I was writing a scenario, like something what I want to say in my tutorial, you know, but I'm not going to do it today. Look, I'm ready. I look decent, you know. I don't look like that every day. So I want to record, but I don't want to record this. But we'll go with it though. You know, you probably want to know what I mean. So this effect I'm talking about is the sharpening effect. And I am scared that everyone knows about it, about me. Like maybe everyone just uses it, but no one tells anyone. Is it like common sense or something? Okay, so right here, it's the hair I was drawing right now, and this is what it looks like when you sharpen it. And it's not even that big of a deal. The biggest deal is the highlights. The highlights that Blue Satan or Hey Mary Jean has this too. You have the highlights, just highlights, and then you have this weird outline around it that makes it pop, you know. Ross draws. He has this really fading effect around all of his artworks, but details are really sharp, and I don't know, how do you just take so much time to draw those little tiny lines, which I don't think people do. I mean, now I know people don't. So every big artist, I think almost every, or just every big artist is using this freaking effect. Like, have you seen those videos of Blue Satan just drawing those highlights, and it's just normal, and then suddenly it's with the outline. And I was wondering for like months, what? I swear I spent hours, dozens of hours trying to make a brush that works like that, or trying to make the effects work like that. But tell me in the comments below, am I stupid or like uninformed? Should I have known this? Are people talking about it and I just missed it somehow? Then tell me in the comments, did you know? Was you using the sharpening tool? And why didn't you tell me if you were? Oh, look, I have here. Anyway, I don't know what this is. But I'm going to show you how to make the sharpening tool work. Look at this. You have like skin, right? It's shaded and everything. And everything looks very nice, right? But it's not like the perfect nice. It's not perfect, you know. And then you just sharpen it. But there's one thing you need to remember when you're using the sharpening tool, because it works only when all the colors are on one layer, you know. When you have multiple layers, like what I always do, maybe that's where I never found that, I don't know. But then it won't work. You can't just select everything and use the sharpening tool, it won't work. Also, sketches won't work. You would need to make a white background and merge it together, which deletes the whole point of a sketch, but anyway. So everything has to be on one layer. Like if you draw realistic drawings similar to like Blue Satan or Hey Mary Jane, then it will definitely work. I think they are drawing on not a lot of layers, I guess. So you need to have everything on one layer, sharpen it. There you go. You can sharpen it in multiple times during the drawing. Like you make some base, you know, you sharpen it a little bit, it looks better. And when you have some spaces you don't want to sharpen, you know, you just blend it out, and then you draw, and then you sharpen it, and if I have a clean shirt, I will put it on and make a video I was meaning to make today. Maybe you'll see me from this day to day soon in the future on my YouTube channel. So anyway, I hope this video was nice, because I never really made this kind of spontaneous videos. Anyway, I'll just end this video. There's nothing more to say, and the video on highlights will still be made, so we'll do it. So, but if you like this video somehow, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you knew about the sharpening tool and if you were using it, and am I stupid that I wear what? Do that. It's good for the algorithm, because algorithm can be a bit. If you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.